Hey, what's up, Buy Smart fam? Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're getting up, and away with two incredible drones that are battling it out for aerial supremacy, the ATTOP Drone and the DEERC Drone D70. Let's see which one will make your Instagram feed pop and which one will leave you crying in the corner of the park. All right. Let's talk about the first thing that hits you harder than gravity: price. The ATTOP Drone will set you back $109. Not bad, right? But then we have the DEERC Drone D70, which is $79. That's right, folks. DEERC is basically saying, hey, why not save some bucks and get yourself a pizza too? Now, let's talk cameras, because if it's not on social media, did it even happen? The ATTOP Drone sports a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. That's like having a mini Spielberg flying around. Meanwhile, the DEERC Drone D70 also has a 1080p HD camera. Both will get you those crispy shots, but ATTOP's wider angle means you can capture that extra bit of sky, or your neighbor's backyard, no judgment. Reviewers have noted that while both cameras are good, ATTOP's wider angle provides a slight edge in versatility. Battery life, because no one wants their drone to take a nosedive mid-flight. The ATTOP Drone comes with three 3.7 volts, 1,100 milliamp hours batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film a short movie. The DEERC Drone D70, well, let's just say you might want to keep a charger handy. You get what you pay for, folks. According to reviews, users have found the ATTOP Drone's battery life to be satisfactory, while DEERC Drone D70's battery life often leaves users wanting more. Now, if you're like me and think "yaw" is a pirate greeting, ease of use is crucial. The ATTOP Drone has one key return, altitude hold, and a bunch of other features to make flying a breeze. It practically flies itself. But the DEERC Drone D70 is no slouch either. One key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. You'll be a pro in 10 minutes or your money back. Okay, not really, but you get the point. Reviewers have found both drones to be user-friendly, though some have noted initial setup difficulties with the DEERC Drone D70. And now the fun stuff. The ATTOP Drone can do 360 degrees flips, follow a drawn route, and even respond to voice commands. It's like having a tiny, obedient robot that can fly. The DEERC Drone D70 isn't far behind with its 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. Both drones are like the Tony Hawk of the skies. But ATTOP has that G-sensor compatibility with VR glasses. Imagine that. Virtual reality while flying a drone. Mind blown. Reviewers love the additional fun features on both drones, but ATTOP's VR compatibility is a standout. Last but not least, portability. The ATTOP Drone is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to take anywhere. It's like having a flying Swiss Army knife. The DEERC Drone D70 is so small it fits in your pocket. No case needed. Just don't sit down too hard, or you might have a drone pancake. Reviewers appreciate the portability of both drones, but ATTOP's carrying case adds an extra layer of convenience. Both the ATTOP Drone and DEERC Drone D70 have garnered mixed reviews. The ATTOP Drone is praised for its camera quality, ease of use, and durability, although some users have faced issues with malfunctioning units. The DEERC Drone D70 is noted for being budget-friendly and easy to use, but some reviewers have experienced connectivity issues and short battery life. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP Drone and the DEERC Drone D70. Both are fantastic choices, depending on what you value more: price, camera quality, battery life, ease of use, fun features or portability. If you're balling on a budget, the DEERC Drone D70 is your go-to. But if you want a few more bells and whistles, the ATTOP Drone is worth the extra dough. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.